This Epson roller assembly kit is a genuine replacement designed specifically to keep Workforce DS-7500 and DS-6500 scanners feeding paper smoothly and reliably over the long term. Installation is straightforward, with the parts fitting precisely into the scanner, so you can perform routine maintenance yourself without needing a technician. By refreshing worn rollers, this kit helps prevent misfeeds and double feeds, which in turn maintains consistent image quality and reduces scan interruptions in busy offices. The build quality feels robust and durable, so once installed, the rollers stand up well to high-volume document scanning in both professional and home office environments. Because it is an original Epson accessory, it integrates seamlessly with the scanner firmware and mechanics, preserving compatibility and avoiding the quirks of third-party parts. For offices that rely heavily on their document scanners, keeping one of these kits on hand is an easy way to extend the scanner's usable life and protect productivity.